Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add new users to your WordPress website. So without any delay, let's start. And before starting the video, please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our regular videos. First of all, you can see that my website is currently installed on a local host, and currently I am on my WP admin of my website. On the left side, you will see an option of users. And here click on all users. You will see this screen. Here you can see all users of your website. Because currently I have only one user of my website, which is me. That's why it is displaying one only. To add a new user, you can click on the button add new user. You will see this screen. Before creating a new user, I want to let you know about role. Do you know what is role in a user? Here you can see that we have multiple roles like administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber and stuff. I want to let you know about these roles. So first of all, let me talk about administrator role. Somebody who has access to all the administration features within a single site. For example, he can manage website, he can develop website, he can add new plugins, he can change the theme of the website, this type of stuff. So this is a super user of the website. The next user is editor. Here you can see it's slug. Editor is somebody who can publish and manage posts, including the post of other users. Next role is author, is somebody who can publish and manage their own posts only. The next role is contributor. Contributor is somebody who can write and manage their own posts but cannot publish them. So for example, if you are not confident on somebody and you want to publish the post by yourself by checking that, so you can assign that person this role, contributor. Next role we have is subscriber. Subscriber is somebody who can only manage their profile. Okay friends, now we have learned about the roles. Now what I'm going to do, I will create a single role. So first of all, you have to add the username. I'm going to type here demo and email like findgap@gmail.com. First name, this is an optional name, and here I will type the last name. I'm going to type here YouTube channel. Next, the website, you can add this. This is an optional. Here I'm going to type my password. I'm going to type 12345, and here I'm going to click on confirm use of weak password. Let me type here admin or okay, demo is good. I think demo. Yes. I have write the demo in lowercase letters. I'm not going to send a notification to this user, and here I will select the role, for example, author. Here I will click on add new user. So you can see that a new user has been created with author role. Now let me click on new private window, and here I'm going to type the URL of my website, which is this URL, and here I'm going to type WP admin. So you can see that this is the same WP admin of my website, and here I'm going to type here admin, not admin but demo, and 12345. Let me click on login. So friends, you can see that the new user have been logged in successfully, and here it have limited functionalities. It cannot access to plugins, it cannot access to the themes, it cannot change themes and this type of stuff. It can only add media, and it can create posts, and it can manage comments. So this type of stuff. So friends, by using this technique, if you have team of developers or in your software house, you can assign different roles to your website users. I hope this video will find you well, and this video will help you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.